It is now time for plastic line. Use a sketch hold position or a modified knife hold position. Reach over. Let's touch down a couple dots. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. 8 to 12 strokes. Push and pull. 8 to 12 strokes. Push and pull. Try some vertically. They're quick and they're light and the whole line emerges at the same time. We want plastic line. Short ones at first, long ones later. Connect those. You see that? That's a hard angle for me right there. Let's 8 to 12 strokes. My knuckles drag. This is appropriate at this point to drag the knuckles. This kind of knuckle dragging is fine. Is sought after. Put those 2 dots down. Don't waste time with the dots. Just punch them down and zip it in. 8 to 12 strokes. It should sound like just like that. It should sound oh, let's go down here. Plastic line quality. Forward and back, forward and back. Notice it zips past the dots. It doesn't, I don't worry about stopping on the dots. So there's none of this. I don't try to stop on the dots. All right? We zip past the dots. And you push and pull. And well, look, here's my hand is rubbing, my knuckles dragging, some of my fingernails are touching, and then I can lower that point down. It goes up and off, across and off, across and off, across and off. Another thing we do not do is we do not do the hatch across. We do not do that. We'll use that later, but for here we want to use this plastic line quality. And we don't want to use the detail position. See, this line, if we draw like that, it's set in stone. So if we try to connect these 2 points and with a detail line at first and we make a mistake, it's ruined. It's etched in stone. We put the 2 points down and our eyes stay stationary. So I sort of look at both dots at the same time. Zip it across. Forward, back, 8 to 12 strokes. And let's do just 4. Look how light that line is after 4. And then it's sort of like an airbrush getting painted on. The weight of the pencil is very light. The pressure of the pencil to the paper is less than the weight of the pencil. It's a feather light touch. It takes practice to do this. And that's why we have 50 pages front and back of the practice paper. I'm doing this on the newsprint paper, the newsprint tablet.